Hi, I'm Ewan. I'm the student producer within Sentience, the Situated Creative Practice project at QUT. I'm a third-year drama student. So in Sentience, we've been looking at a range of philosophical and technological aspects and how they link together. There have been 4 smaller groups within the project as a whole. That's animality, politics of sentience, matters mattering, and machinic sense and sensibility. Within each of those, so I'll start with animality, they've been looking at how animals, plants, and particles all relate to each other and the necessity that each of them provide for them to be able to survive. Politics of sentience, which is my group, we've been looking at cultural and cyber warfare within the 21st century, particularly at disinformation. Matters Mattering has been looking at play and nostalgia and how certain objects have relationships to human beings, so in a sort of sentimental value. And then the final, Machinic Sense and Sensibility, has been looking at artificial intelligence, and their performance work centers around a pre-dystopian AI program. Each of the 4 projects is a part of one larger showcase which is being showed. So each of the 4 groups has been centering around a different technology and how that relates to the themes that they're trying to discuss. So some of the difficulties that we've faced during this process has been the actual technologies that each of the groups has been focusing on. It's been experience with a range of technologies. Some really fun things that we've been doing though is experimenting with motion capture, and I believe each of the groups has been through a process of experimentation with that technology. So for me, I find the link between the sort of the philosophical things and the technological side and how they meld together, I find that really interesting. So within the politics of sentience, we've been focusing on cultural and cyber warfare and misinformation. And we found that using deepfake technology as a manner of creating a false narrative to be really interesting. And that's sort of melding a sort of philosophical and political discourse with the use of technology. And that's been really exciting to see unfold. So some learning outcomes from this project has been utilizing emerging technologies. We've absolutely seen exponential growth in skill within a particular area. So they've sort of started off a bit nervous and then they take it on, and then from there they just skyrocket, and it's been really amazing to see.